At 1,600 feet beneath the ocean surface, where no sunlight reaches and pressure would crush a human body, scientists found a snail. Not just any snail, a hunter, a killer, armed with venom so powerful, so precise, so chemically complex, that the same compounds are now being studied to treat cancer. Nobody announced this. Nobody made it headline news. But what this tiny creature carries inside its body could change medicine forever. The ocean covers 71% of our planet, but we have explored less than 20% of it. Everything below 600 feet is still largely unknown, a dark, pressurized world that science has barely touched. In this darkness live creatures that evolution designed in complete isolation from everything on the surface. No sunlight, no warmth, no mercy. Down here, survival means one thing: kill before you are killed. And in the deep waters of the South Pacific, near the islands of New Caledonia and Vanuatu, one creature evolved a weapon so advanced that human science is only now beginning to understand it. Meet Turridrupa magnifica, a newly discovered predatory sea snail found at depths between 600 and 1,600 feet beneath the ocean surface. From the outside, it looks unremarkable, a small cone-shaped shell, easy to miss, easy to ignore. But inside this shell is one of the most sophisticated biological weapons ever discovered in the natural world. Harpoon-like teeth, hollow, needle-sharp, loaded with venom. When prey comes close, Turridrupa magnifica fires. The harpoon penetrates instantly. The venom enters the bloodstream of the target within seconds. There is no escape. There is no antidote in the wild. The prey simply stops. But here is where the story changes completely. Scientists studying the venom of Turridrupa magnifica and its relatives discovered something extraordinary. The chemical compounds inside this venom do not just kill, they communicate. They target specific cells with a precision that modern pharmaceutical drugs cannot match. Certain compounds block pain signals in the nervous system more effectively than morphine without the addiction. Others appear to seek out and disrupt cancer cells specifically, leaving healthy cells untouched. This is the holy grail of cancer research, a treatment that kills only what needs to die. And a deep-sea snail found less than 1 year ago may already have the answer inside its body. This is not the first time ocean venom has changed medicine. In the 1980s, scientists discovered a cone snail called Conus magus in shallow Pacific waters. From its venom, they extracted a compound called ziconotide. Today, ziconotide is an FDA-approved painkiller, 1,000 times stronger than morphine, used for patients with severe chronic pain that nothing else can treat. One snail, one venom, one compound. It took 30 years to go from ocean discovery to hospital use. Turridrupa magnifica was found in waters far deeper and conditions far more extreme, which means its venom is far more complex. Scientists believe the compounds inside may be decades ahead of anything currently in pharmaceutical development. But there is a problem, a serious one. The deep sea where Turridrupa magnifica lives is under immediate threat. Mining companies are currently targeting the ocean floor of the South Pacific for rare minerals used in electric car batteries and technology. The Clarion-Clipperton Zone, a vast stretch of deep ocean, is already being explored for industrial extraction. Scientists warn that mining this region could destroy entire ecosystems before we even know what lives there. We may be sitting on the greatest pharmaceutical library in human history, written in the venom of creatures we have not yet named, and we are about to bulldoze it for battery minerals. Every year, scientists discover over 16,000 new species. Most are insects and plants, but among them are creatures like Turridrupa magnifica, animals carrying biological secrets inside their bodies that could rewrite medicine, treatment, and human survival. The GLP-1 receptor agonists, the active ingredient in today's most popular weight loss drugs, were originally discovered in the saliva of a Gila monster, a lizard. Nature has been writing pharmaceutical solutions for millions of years. We are only just beginning to read them. And if we destroy the library before we finish reading, we will never know what we lost. 1,600 feet below the surface, one small shell, one extraordinary venom, one possible cure that humanity has been searching for. The ocean is not just water. It is the most complex laboratory on Earth, built over billions of years. and it is disappearing faster than we can explore it. Subscribe to Species Lab, because the most important science stories are the ones happening right now in places nobody